Cross out the idea that thoughts and words about love are enough, but rather action is important. This man went to a counselor and he said, I don't love my wife anymore. I need your help. What should I do? And the counselor said, what you need to do is love her. He said, I don't think you understand. That's the problem. I don't have feelings of love for her anymore, and I don't know what to do. And the counselor said, then you need to love her. In other words, it's not about just how you feel. It's about taking loving action. Feelings often follow the action. In fact, there's a relationship therapy called imago therapy, which teaches that if you need to rekindle the love in a relationship, what were you doing when you first started seeing that person in the beginning? Start to do that, they teach people. Start to do those things that you were doing in the beginning, and that can rekindle that love that you felt. Also, I've enjoyed that book, The 5 Love Languages by Chapman, where he says that we all grew up learning and developing our own particular love language by how our parents or primary caretakers loved us. So maybe receiving gifts made us feel loved, maybe a sense of hugs and touch, or maybe just quality time together, or hearing verbal affirmation or acts of service made us feel loved. And he said, when you can identify another person's love language, or even your own love language, then you can do that for the other person, and you can rekindle love in that relationship. See, so cross out the idea that just thinking about love and talking about love is enough. Action. Jesus was on the cross thinking beyond himself and taking action, connecting up his mother and disciple so she could be cared for. Now, a person may say, well, what if I don't feel loving? What if I don't feel compassionate? Well, then just act as if. Take action anyway. Do what you know is the right thing to do, and you will find that the feeling will follow. Take the action that's the right thing to do. And as Shakespeare said, assume a virtue if you have it not. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.